Hi, I'm Megan and welcome to Falkon Sign. In this video, I'll walk you through how Falkon Sign works and how you can send documents for signature in just a few minutes. Falkon Sign helps you send, track, and manage electronic signatures in one simple, organized platform. Let's take a look. When you first log into Falkon Sign, you'll land on the dashboard. This gives you a quick snapshot of your document activity, including total documents, your document status, such as sent, signed, or awaiting signature, and the total recipients. You can also see recent activity at a glance, making it easy to identify which documents are still pending and require attention. Next, click on the Documents tab. Here you'll see all documents listed chronologically, so you can quickly locate any file. From this page, you can also upload a new document to send for signature. After uploading your PDF, you'll enter the recipient's details, their name, email, and phone number. Then you can select the type of verification code the recipient will receive. You also have the option to add a custom message to the request email, set a password for additional document protection, and select automatic reminders to ensure timely completion. Next, you'll configure the fields directly on the document. Simply click and drag the fields into place. The fields available to you include signature, initial, text, date, and checkmark, everything you'll need. Once the document is sent, Falkon Sign keeps everything organized and easy to manage. Before it's signed, you can edit the document if changes are needed. After it's completed, you can download the fully signed document for your records or delete it if necessary. And that's a complete overview of Falkon Sign. From sending signature requests to tracking their status in real time, Falkon Sign makes document management fast, simple, and secure. If you'd like to get started or learn more, reach out to our team. Thanks for watching, and welcome to a smarter way to manage electronic signatures with Falkon Sign.